Introducing the wireless printer, a cutting-edge device designed to bring convenience and efficiency to your printing needs. This isn't just any printer. It's a versatile and smart companion crafted to free you from the constraints of cords and cables. Say goodbye to the tangled web of wires and welcome the wireless printer into your workspace. Because printing should be as seamless as your ideas. This wireless printer isn't just a printing tool. It's a productivity powerhouse. With its wireless connectivity, it allows you to print from your computer, tablet, or smartphone without the need for physical connections. No more searching for the right cable or dealing with limited placement options. The wireless printer is here to provide you with the freedom to print from anywhere in your home or office. It's not just a printer, it's a document liberation maestro. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any office equipment, it's a time-saving marvel. Its wireless functionality means no more being tethered to your desk or the hassle of setting up intricate wired connections. The wireless printer is easy to install, user-friendly, and adaptable, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of printing without the headache of traditional setups. It's like having your personal printing assistant. Efficient, convenient, and always ready when you need it. And versatility, unmatched. Whether you're printing documents, photos, or even creative projects, the wireless printer adapts to your printing needs with various features like mobile printing, cloud connectivity, and high-quality output. It's not just a printer. It's a multifunctional printing solution that enhances your document and image creation experience. But wait, there's more. This printer isn't just about practicality. It's about innovation. With features like automatic double-sided printing, mobile app integration, and compatibility with virtual assistants, the wireless printer elevates your printing experience into the realm of smart technology. It's not just a printer, it's a glimpse into the future of efficient and connected workspaces. Picture this, you effortlessly sending a print job from your smartphone to the wireless printer, whether you're in the next room or on the go. It's not just about printing, it's about turning your workspace into a wireless and efficient zone. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow.